35-year-old female presented with dementia, difficulty chewing, swallowing, walking, having hallucinations, and fatigue. She eventually died of an unknown cause.
What do you think happened?
Let's get into it.
Back in 1953, Dr. Carlton Gajdusek and Dr. Vincent Zigas observed that a culture of people in New Guinea were suffering from an unknown cause with a 100% mortality rate.
Patients would exhibit fatigue, difficulty walking and eating, hallucinations, and dementia, etc. These symptoms did not clearly represent any known illnesses at the time, and the scientists were stuck.
After further investigation, it came to light that the people in New Guinea were taking a part in a cultural practice which involved the consumption of brain matter of deceased loved ones. Although this was seen as a sign of respect, the repercussions of consuming infected brain matter resulted in transmitting this disease to anyone who took part in the ritual. This became known as the Kuru disease.
Now let's get into the science of this all. A prion is a misfolded protein that over time causes other proteins to misfold at an exponential rate, eventually bonding together and creating a mass of disorganized tissue. This causes death in 100% of cases, normally within a year, but cases have been reported where an infected person does not show symptoms for up to 50 years. Kuru belongs to a type of illness called the TSE, which stands for Transmissible Spongiform Encephalopathies.
A very well-known TSE, for example, is mad cow disease. TSEs can be diagnosed by a variety of tests, including a spinal tap, an MRI, or a blood test. However, the only way to confirm the diagnosis is to test the brain matter after death.
Kuru disease is extremely rare, and only about 1 in a million per year are diagnosed.
There are no known treatments for Kuru disease at this time, but hopefully in the future, more information on TSEs will be discovered. With different TSEs being so similar, the hope is that information from the different diseases will be connected together to form a more specific treatment.
That's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. Case dismissed.